Well, hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. My unboxing knife today is the Spyderco Capara. I'm using the Spyderco Capara because I will be reviewing it and then trading it. I'm probably shipping it out tomorrow. Therefore, I need to get some good use out of this guy tonight. Alright. You guys know what that is. Has anybody ever seen a Civivi before? No! This is a very, very foreign company. It is a foreign company. There goes the joke and the shtick. I was going to be like, oh, nobody's ever seen this brand before. It's so foreign. It is foreign. It's freaking from Wii. It's from China. Blah, blah, blah. That was dumb. Ruined the joke. Kind of mad at myself. And I didn't even cut it. All I did was cut the box. Alright. Alright, here we go. I think I know what this is. And talk about... I think this is from White Mountain Knives. Guys, go shop at White Mountain Knives. I've been ordering my stuff from Blade HQ, and they've been slouching. White Mountain Knives have been killing it using my promo code EEDCWMK. I get nothing back from it, but it gets you guys 10% off. Alright. Without further ado, let us not push out the Civivi opening any longer. We have a sticker. Cool, cool. Another sticker. Some instructions on how to use the knife. A lint-free cloth which feels larger than normal. Holy crap, did these get bigger? Did these just get... No, nope, they didn't. And we have a knife. This, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? I should stop the video right now and ask people to tell me what this knife is, because I feel like you guys, this looks just like any other Civivi. I'm excited about this one, ironically. You guys know me with my Civivis, but it just looks like, to me, it looks like the Senka Actium. That's honestly exactly what it looks like, the Senka Actium. If I hadn't traded it yet, I would so bust that out, because that is the same thing. Anyways, moving on. Oh yeah. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Civivi Brazen. What? Not really. It's I feel like a minor click. I don't know if it's even worth adjusting. Let's see. Better. Okay. No side to side, no up and down. Action is pretty damn stellar. Centering is pretty damn stellar. Oh yeah. Yeah. See, this reminds me just of the Senka Actium, guys. You got the flipper tab, you got the thumb studs, and it just works really well. Even the sound is the same. But we have some nice milled liners here, an ambidextrous pocket clip that is not recessed with a really cool backspacer. That's different. They don't normally do that. It's got like this backspacer with a little triangle piece right there. Very cool. This all-black model is all black, and the thumb studs are black, the hardware is black, the backspacer is black, the liners are black. The only thing that's not black is the Civivi logo. Very, very cool. So here we go. Let's check the grinds on this guy. So Civivi's doing something unique, guys. The past couple Civivis I've gotten, look at this grind. See if you can get it right in the right light. This thing is almost a freaking mirror polish again. I don't know if this is new, something they've been doing, or maybe I just never paid attention before, but wow. Talk about definitely setting the bar when it comes to setting the bar. Dumbass. Let's get your cut test in. Yep. 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 Oh yeah. See if you guys can see that. We got some hairs and some nasty stuff right from my arm. So this thing comes out wicked sharp. Absolutely wicked sharp. No pun intended on the Wicked Edge Pro, which there was no real pun. I just said wicked. I mean, wicked's not a pun, it's a word. Very aggressive drop point style with the swedge going down all the way to the tip, carrying a lot of strength to a otherwise usually dainty tip. And it is kind of dainty, but not too bad. We have a compound grind. Maybe? Hold on. Not really. If I'm not mistaken. This might be a subtle hollow grind. I'd have to look at it. That might be a subtle hollow grind. I can't. It might be a subtle hollow grind. So this is what I was talking about when I reviewed the Civivi King Nanner. I was excited for this, and I'm excited for this for all the right reasons. I think this is awesome. I don't remember the price point, but I loved the Suncut Actium. I wasn't using that as an insult, but I mean, as I said, the Civivi design language is very, very much the same, right? I mean, they just kind of like steal from each other and build another knife, Frankenstein it with all the parts. And this one did it right. This is, like I said, maybe a more higher class model of the Actium in a tanto style. And this is a tanto knife that looks classy. It looks just simply badass. And I would definitely carry it. Really nice sharpening choil there. And they actually, remember what I was talking about with the off-grid knives, where here's the plunge grind, and they like stopped like, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch before the plunge grind. You're like, what? Very milled out liners. There was one more thing I wanted to check. Oh, the blade steel. What the hell is the blade steel? D2. Alright. That's boring. I was hoping for something else. The other one that I have coming in maybe won't be D2. Alright, guys. This is the Civivi Brazen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited to review this knife. I know it's a new Civivi, so I'm going to try to pump this one out quicker than normal. And I'm just looking at this, by the way, and the edge is definitely like damn near a mirrored edge. So kudos for that, Civivi. Kudos for your design language, kind of taking it from your lower class model, but really making it work. Both the reverse flick, the thumb stud, and the flipper tab feel freaking great. And look at this flipper tab. Totally non-obtrusive. This knife, I'm already excited to review, and I have not been excited for a Civivi in a short period of time. Yeah, this guy's definitely, I'm excited. So my name is Tyler. This is the Civivi Brazen. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking day, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.